This is the Zippo Windproof model Z28535. Zippo has designed this one. It will be engraved with the words Zippo Windproof Lighter, and then you get to see the picture of the open flame lighter. Then Zippo Manufacturing Company, Bradford, Pennsylvania. This is actually where the Zippos are still made, proudly in the USA. All of our Zippos are brand new, have never been opened. You'll have the seal on the back. They all will come with the Zippo box, which shows proudly that it's made in the USA. These do measure 1.5 width and 2.25 long. It's kind of the standard size for these Zippos. So already engraved, Zippo Windproof model 28535.